Cell wall of gram-positive bacteria. In these gram-positive bacteria, peptidoglycan is about 25 nanometers wide and contain additional polysaccharide called teichoic acid. About 60 to 90% of cell wall is peptidoglycan. Cell wall of gram-negative bacteria. In gram-negative bacteria, the cell wall is only 3 nanometers in thickness and contains no teichoic acid. The cell wall in these bacteria contains various polysaccharides, proteins and lipids. This cell wall is more complex than that of gram-positive bacteria. The cell wall is surrounded by an outer membrane. The space between this membrane and cell wall is called periplasmic space. The periplasmic space contains a gel-like material called periplast.